न्याय का सबके लिए.
The legal services institutions have embarked on a special mission which took off on 2nd October 2021 and it will conclude on 14th November 2021. This is part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav Pan-India Awareness and Outreach Campaign. Outreach programs are organized to make people aware about their rights, entitlements and assist them in actualization of the same under welfare laws and schemes of the central and state government.
State Legal Services Authority, on behalf of our District Legal Services Authority, I thank all who have participated today in response to our call.
State Legal Services Authority would like to extend greetings to all who are present here.
I always believe that legal aid to the poor does not mean poor legal aid. So it has to be qualitatively of a superior order.
You are here to demonstrate and pledge your support and commitment to the noble cause of providing legal services to those that need these services the most.
These legal services authority provides free legal aid to any needy person, whoever he may be.
The phenomenal rise in drug trafficking and drug abuse amongst the youth, children and adolescents has serious implications adversely affecting national health and economy.
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी छू के देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपनी बदलूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी।
कई मर्द यहाँ पे आके सेक्स खरीदना चाहते हैं और उसी के वजह से गोवा एक सेक्स डेस्टिनेशन बनता जा रहा है और सिर्फ लड़की लोगों का ही ये कहना नहीं है, कानून के हिसाब से भी बाइंग सेक्स इज ए क्राइम।
घे फोन घ्या नंबर त्याचा फ्री लीगल टू ऑल सबके लिए कहीं तो
कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन जर ना न्ही बस त्याचे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आशिल्लें त्याचे कोण मुखावेले सगळ्यांना कळटा एका लावणे असो करतालो सायोनारा.
This Saturday evening, the 6th of November, we have a very special program. The Goa State Legal Services Authority, under the aegis of NALSA, as part of Pan-India Awareness Outreach Campaign and part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, connects through Ma'am Sayonara Tellis Lad.
Today we have arranged for the exhibition. Now
whenever we look into any legislation, there are certain, not only as we all are aware that I'm going to talk about protection of women.
On behalf of the National Legal Service Authority, the Goa State Legal Service Authority, and the National Commission for Women, I thank the principals, Mr. Saba Desilva.
Now, we have to know what are the laws in Goa. All of you know that we are under, still today we are under Portuguese Civil Code.
Now when we talk about women and mental health, we need to realize that women, juggle between various roles. We are caregivers, we are homemakers, we are employees, daughters, wives, sister-in-law, friends, among multiple other roles. And all of these roles have specific attitudes, beliefs, perceptions about themselves, and often are accompanied by a set of unrealistic expectations and needs.
On behalf of the Goa State Legal Services Authority, I, Sayonara Tellis Lad, Member Secretary, Goa State Legal Services Authority, and my co-host, Ms. Tina Bosley, Legal Assistant with the Goa State Legal Services Authority, welcome you all to the Children's Day program and the closing ceremony of Pan-India Awareness and Outreach Campaign 2021.
I now invite Honorable Shri Justice Utkarsh Vishwanath Bakre to deliver his address.
on this very important and exciting day, I say very important and exciting day because the day falls in the 75th year of independence of India, which is being celebrated throughout India under the name Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.
What started on 2nd October and culminates today is a kind of energization of the reach out program, the outreach program of legal aid. But what I fear is that generally what happens in these campaigns is that there is a lot of energy, there is a lot of activity for those 45 days, and then it peters out later on. So what we have to look for is guard against is that whatever energy we have now put in, now where we've reached on the 45th day, we must treat it as a launching pad and then go ahead.
We have a short film on right to education Before our next speaker, we'll just have a look at a short film of NALSA on Right to Education. I request our technical team to play the short film on Right to Education.
शिक्षा भारत के हर नागरिक का संवैधानिक मौलिक अधिकार है.
We have our next speaker, Shri Venkata Durga Prasad Ki, Project Coordinator of Goa Science Center, who will render his talk on plastic and pollution reducing its consumption. I request Shri Venkata Durga Prasad to take.
Think how we can reduce the consumption. As we have seen in the video and the man speaking, it is totally either intentional or accidental, it is littering. The rag pickers might throw, or maybe we as common users in the society, we also might throw. So there is some problem which is with commodities. As you have seen in the video, so much of plastic material is floating on the water.
So others at the police station. Yes. And we have various schemes like asset attack. So we process that application
राष्ट्रीय न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण
न्यायालयातल्या कारवाई खातीर बरो वकील मेळून दिता.
वेळार योग्य कायदा खालची मदत आणि सल्लो दिता.
लोक अदालत द्वारा चड काळच्या केसीक बेगीन सोपयता.
आणि ते बी सामके मोफत.
राष्ट्रीय न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण बेस बरो न्याय बेस बरो समाज.
अधिक माहिती खातीर लागच्या न्यायालयातल्या न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण कार्यालया लागीं संपर्क करात
वा टोल फ्री नंबर 151000 चेर फोन करात.